how could you compare, how will you compare full log pricing versus half log pricing?
So full log, just so everybody understands the differences. First off, full log means that all the exterior walls around the entire home are full logs. That means they are either 8-inch or 10-inch or 12-inch logs, and they are stacked on top of each other. The outside is log, the inside of the house is log. On a conventional or a half log or a quarter log, we would use a conventional 2x6 frame construction like building an everyday home. We would provide either a 4-inch thick half log or a 2-inch thick quarter log that would be applied to the exterior of the house. The home would look exactly the same if it's full log, quarter log, or half log from the outside. However, the interior of the home would now have your option to do what you want to finish the inside with. Instead of being log on the inside, it could be drywall, it could be tongue and groove pine, you could put some stone in there, and you still could put quarter or half log in certain areas on the inside as well. Back to your point, your question, to determine the cost is going to depend on what you put on the inside of that home. So if you're going to do a lot of stone on the inside, or you're going to still put some log on the inside, the costs probably are going to be pretty similar in the outcome. Construction wise, usually to frame that house and to use a half or quarter log, there's more labor involved than there is in a full log. So the full log usually would be less cost labor wise. So in all, it really washes out. It's usually pretty darn close to the same price. So I usually wouldn't make my decision based on the full log or the half log. We do offer a quarter log package, and that will be a little bit less. So if somebody is price conscious, the quarter log package might be an option for you. But all in all, usually we're going to come in pretty close to the same by the time you figure Golden Eagle's package and the labor costs from the builder to put the home together for you.
And there are some quarter log packages where when you look at the quarter log, you would have no idea whether it's a quarter log home, and the same goes for half log, or whether it's a full log home. So Jeff likes to point this out quite a bit. With our flat hand-hewn log with the bevel on the top and the bottom, you would have no idea whether it's a full log home or a quarter log home.
Zach, you probably heard me walk people through, and how would you know if you have a flat log on the front, if that was, like Jan said, 2 inches thick, or if that was 8 inches or 8 feet thick? You get the same exact look from it when you do the quarter log. And like Jan said, the quarter log would be less money. So yes, we do that quite a bit.
Right.
Some people just like knowing that they have a full log home.
Oh, yeah.
I think that's what drives most people. What drives a lot of people to Golden Eagle is we do the authentic full log home, which a lot of companies don't. A lot of companies want to just offer that half log system. But we've got this process dialed in. We've been doing it for decades, and I think that's what people really love about us is we do that true, authentic, full log home.
I can tell you, living in Wisconsin, it gets cold here in the wintertime, folks, and you don't like to see 35 below, but we get it. And I live in a 10-inch full log home. It's warm. Believe me, it's warm. I love it. I just love it. I like the look of when you look at the interior perimeter walls, they're all log. And then our partition walls, we have drywall mixed in. So you get a real nice mixture that way. So
Yeah. We all come to work every day here at Golden Eagle in a beautiful full log model home. And that is the warmest home you'll ever be in. Get that fireplace going in the wintertime and it's as cozy as you can get. So that full log home is absolutely, Jeff, like you said, just as warm as a half or quarter log home.
Yep.
And what's interesting about that is that the thermal mass of the full log really helps your HVAC systems regulate the home well. So if you don't want it to feel like a furnace, it won't feel like a furnace. Your systems don't have to work extra hard to get it warm in there. And then in the summertime, due to the same property of thermal mass and just the energy efficiency of the home, your air conditioner doesn't have to work extra hard to make sure your home stays cool. So I think that's really interesting. It's a very well regulated home.